Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a cup routine to the song Christmas in My Heart. So there are 4 main sections in this cup routine. So we're going to start off with the A section. So you might be sitting at a table or you might be sitting on the floor. Just for simplicity's sake, I'm always going to say floor. That is tapping wherever you are, either the floor or the table. All right, so it's going to be floor. Then you're going to tap the top of your cup and then back to the floor, and then you're going to snap. So let's try that. Ready? Here we go. Floor, cup, floor, snap, floor, cup, floor, snap, floor, cup, floor, snap. One more time. Floor, cup, floor, snap. The second part of the A section though, you're gonna go double time. It's gonna say double time on the screen. That just means that you're gonna go twice as fast. So instead of doing quarter notes, we're gonna do eighth notes. So it's gonna look like this. Floor, cup, floor, snap, floor, cup, floor, snap. Let's try it. Ready, and here we go. Floor, cup, floor, snap, floor, cup, floor, snap, floor, cup, floor, snap, floor, cup, floor, snap. Okay, so that is the A section. The next section is the interlude. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like full speed, and then I will break it down. Okay, so the first part is you're going to clap, then you're going to grab from the side. It's almost like you're flipping your hand over. You're going to bring it to tap it on your hand and then tap it on the floor. So let's try just that part first. So it's going to be clap, grab, hand, floor. Let's try again. Ready, here we go. Clap, grab, hand, floor. All right, let's try that a little bit faster. So it's going to be clap, grab, hand, floor. Ready, and here we go. Clap, grab, hand, floor. Okay, so then the next part from here is you're going to put this side of the cup into your hand, put this hand down and cross over and tap. Okay, so let's start from here. You're gonna grab up, hand down, and pat it on the floor. Okay, let's go slow motion. Let's try and put that together. So it's gonna be clap, grab, hand, floor, put in your other hand, down, down. Okay, let's try that again, slow motion. Here you go. Clap, grab, hand, floor, other hand, down, down. Okay, let's try that a little faster. Here you go. Clap, grab, hand, floor, and done, done. It's hard to say the words with that one. All right, let's try that again, that speed. Ready, and here we go. Clap, done, 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 done. Okay, if you need to go back and rewind a little bit, there's no shame in that, so you can practice it because that is a little hard portion. It's probably the hardest portion of the song. All right, the B section. So the B section, you're gonna start by holding your cup and you're gonna tap it on the floor 2 times. Tap, tap, then your hand. Tap, tap. And you're gonna do that for 4 times. Ready? And here we go. Floor, floor, hand, hand. Floor, floor, hand, hand. Okay, that's the first part. Then you're gonna put it back down and it's gonna be tossed. So let's try floor, floor, hand, hand, floor, floor, hand, hand, floor. Ready, and here we go. Floor, floor, hand, hand, floor, floor, hand, hand, floor. Okay, the next section is going to be clapping, then patting the top of your cup, T, T, then snapping. So it's gonna be clap, T, T, ta. So let's try that from the beginning, slow motion. Ready, and here we go. Floor, floor, hand, hand, floor, floor, hand, hand, floor, clap, pat, pat, snap. Good, let's try that a little bit faster. Ready, and here we go. Floor, floor, hand, hand, floor, floor, hand, hand, floor, clap, pat, pat, snap. And that is the B section. The other section is the C section, and it is just a dance break. There's a breakdown in the song. She talks about dancing, and I thought, what a perfect time to just kind of get out your best dance moves, take a little break from your cup, so then you can go back into it fresh to finish off the song. And those are the 4 sections. So I hope you guys have a great time with this. Rewind as much as you need to practice and perfect your cup routine. Have fun with it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. This Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Hey!